Hi everyone, this is Delmet. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to perform audits in Inventora. If you found a box of jars misplaced in the warehouse, no worries. Inventora allows you to fix errors through a simple audit. You will need to go to your left sidebar, click on More, and select Audits. Once you're there, you're going to click on Perform Audit, and we are going to allow you to choose the audit type, if you want an audit for materials or products, and also you're going to be able to choose the category, or if you want to do it for all the categories that you have. Once you're ready, click on Start Audit. Then you can choose if you want to print the stock level list, or if you want to skip this step and do it digitally. Then the list of your materials or products is going to show, and you're going to be able to write down the actual stock level that you have and add an explanation of the difference that you currently have. Once you're done, you're going to click on Back to All Audits, and you will be able to see all of the audits that you have done. This is how you can perform an audit in Inventora.